Hi, Andy Lade back again doing today's Duotrigordle. So start off with our favourite first four words: waste, nymph, gild, and frock. Right, so going across, we got frown as the first one. I'm going to have to leave that one as it is for a minute. I'm guessing that could be bunny. Plus a B in there. Alright, so let's we can see, we stroll across, we can see there's a brick there. Is there any other ones we can see? Right, that's going to be hutch. Right, we got RCE, so that's trace. RPE, right, that's peril. WASER. Sewer, no, sewer's not right. Sower, no. Right, I'll have to come back to that one. RATE. Right. And then we've got an RO, an E, that could be anything. An HACOS, that's going to be chaos. PERL and Y. ELY, reply. Bunch. And BRI, bride. I say this every time, but I do guess if you're watching these, you do know how these work. Like green is an N and a K is the last few last two letters, and then we've also got an S, an L, and a U, which is going to spell out slunk. And again, by here we've got an H, an A, an N, a Y, and a D in the wrong. All right, the D is in the right place, but like if I'd looked all the way down, and we've got ROL, L, and a D, so it's going to be droll. But here we've got a DRI ending in an E. Right, so it's going to be one of the letters we haven't used, which is going to be a V, I guess, drive. CROK. It's going to be double O. CROOK. Crook. MAYR. So it's AR something Y. Could be an M or right, Mary. Didn't we just have Mary in the squadle? Right, an I and an L, an A. No, I don't know what that is. So that's going to be whitey because there's an H in it. DNY, dingy with a G at the top. Oh, not dingy, dingy, I guess it is, isn't it? Sorry. SLU and an M and a P, slump. An F, AI, the I's per there. An F, A and an F. And, alright, that's going to be a fix. I only know that because I've had that one a few times. An SUDI and a T, study. TRI something E and a B down below, so that's tribe. NASL, and that's going to be nasal. S something U with a T and an F, right, so that's going to be stuff. TR8, trail. UNT, oh god, UNTA. But it can't be anti because the Y isn't yellow. Let me just scroll down a little bit by here. Alright, so the it's either A-U-N-T and it's not anti, or it's U-N-T, junta. Junta is a word, isn't it? Right, so we've just got 3 left now. Alright, the V S, that's going to be savvy. Oh, sorry, no, we've got 3 left. We've got an S, R, A, E. Oh, it is, right, W. So it's going to be swear, which is going to be S-W-E-A-R. Then we've got an R, an R, an O, an E, a V. Rover, I'm guessing. And the last word is, it's an X in it. It's going to be A-X-I-A-L, axial. Axial there is. There we go. So 6 minutes for today's Duotrigordle. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, please, I keep on doing it wrong. No, I did it right first time, but I'm going wrong there. Please subscribe. And please feel free to add a comment if you do enjoy it. Please leave me a comment just to say something. Thanks very much. Bye.